yes. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, buddy. This life jacket will keep you safe in the water.
Oh, red! Look, a red fish!
I'll get my fishing pole. That way we can catch that fish. Down by the lake, where we see the little fish. Let's pull the rod and make a wish. Oh, look at that. Look what we found. This isn't good. It's just a boot down by the lake. Oh, no.
Fishies! Hey, kiddos, I hope you're hungry. I made a picnic.
Yay!
Where did this come from?
Down by the lake, we can play all day. Eat sandwiches, pass time away. But if you fish, just be aware. Wow! These fish are wise and love to surprise down by the lake. Okay, sweetheart, let's get in the water. Look, Baby John, we're gonna jump like the fishies.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, look at that log. That could be my fishing spot. Down by the lake, we swim for fun. But watch your feet, you might trip up. Stay close to me, I'll keep you safe. We can have fun all day in the sun. Down by the lake.
Wow! It's amazing, Mom!
Okay, let's have some fun. Oh, yes! Down by the lake, we splish and splash. We jump around, stomp on the ground. But so you know, don't go off alone. If we stay together, things will be better down by the lake. I think Dad needs to relax. Let's see if he wants to play with us.
Yes!
Hey, Dad, come play with us.
I'm just gonna try one more time, then I'll go to play.
Okay, Dad. Good luck.
Down by the lake, there's so many things to do. We play and dance and pretend to. It's not just fish that make it fun. We'll play a game, be happy that you came. Down by the lake.
Fun is over. Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh yes.
Wow, Dad!
You are a genius.
You fixed it, honey.
Whee! Hey, you! If you enjoyed this video, give us a like or share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, click the red button below to subscribe.